Hello everybody, how are you? So in my last video you saw me mixing up. I was one of the lucky people that got a sample of Violet Rain pigment from this little piggy. You saw me mix it up in this container, and you also saw that I used Glidden GLN60 whatever. Let me see what it's called. 6413. It's got a little bit of titanium white in it. It doesn't really make much of a difference for lighter colors, but when you get into the darker, more pigmented colors, it has that little bit of titanium white and it kind of dulls them. So as promised, I mixed more Purple Rain with the Behr 8300, which has no titanium white in it at all. So this is why when you get your base, if you want to experiment with different bases, put it all by itself just on something dark, piece of cardboard or something, and see if it dries clear or if it dries white. Because look at the difference here. This is the one that had the titanium white in it, and this one is the Behr 8300 that didn't. And look at what a difference that makes in the color. Big difference. So that is why you do not want titanium white in your base paint that you are going to use for your pouring medium with your colors. I have not really noticed too much so far where it affects it horribly, but with this purple it really did, and with the maraschino that also did. So I'm going to remix that. So anyway, this is Diox Purple. We're going to do that same tile again, and I'm going to show you a side-by-side of what difference that makes. I know this seems like this is a totally different video on a different day, but I literally 5 minutes ago did my last video. I kind of stack them up. Here is our Purple Rain, which is much more gorgeous now. Here's our Lemon Sorbet. I think that will be pretty. Last time I put down a little more Diox Purple, but this time I'm going to put down just a little. Oh yes, that's gorgeous. A little bit more Purple Rain. So we're going to do the dual cell activator again. Black. And then white, because I had not done that before. Tried it, and I really love the look you get, because you get the white, you know how your white always makes lacing. Well, when you use the white with the black, you get the black cells, and the white goes right along with it. So you end up with like white cells, white and black. It's a really pretty look. I'm glad I tried the dual cell activator. I don't know why I didn't before. Alright, so this bloom is much deeper and darker than the other one. I can see that already. All right, we got some cells doing their thing. We're going to let that happen. I'm going to show you right now the comparison while we're waiting for those cells to do their things. This was the Purple Rain in the base that had titanium white in it. Very much lighter, more lilacs. This is what we have going on here. So there's still some lilac because it probably mixed with the base paint, the pillow paint. But overall, it is much, much darker. So it definitely does make a difference with these more vibrant colors if you have titanium white in your pillow. You really don't want that, so that you get the true color of your pigments. I'm going to modify a little bit, same as I did the other one. Good. This is my new modifying technique I like. Just all the way around. Gotta have the sound effects. Shoop, 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 shoop. Okay. I would like to get some more in that black right there. And I don't think it's going to happen. So what I was saying about the black and the white cell activator together is you get the white follows the cells. So if you like white cell activator, but you do not like the lacing it gives and would rather have white cells, this is how you can achieve it, because the white moves right along with that black. And black creates cells. Whereas white creates lacing. Okay. Oh, wow, this is pretty. This lemon sorbet is so pretty with this, because it's creating a gold. This is a very regal. I just finished watching the 5th season of The Crown. That's what it reminds me of. Purple and gold. Who's watched The Crown? I loved The Crown. And I think there's still more episodes to come. Oh, yes. See how that white has moved in there with the black and made those cells. So now you've got some white. It's not such a stark black color. So if you have not tried black and white cell activator together, do it. See what you get. I like it. I'm very happy with it. Wish I had done it sooner. Okay. Just gonna get my edges here. Most of them are done. Okay, one more spin. I just lost one of my butterflies here. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. I cut butterflies out from skins to put on larger paintings. Isn't that cute? And this is done. So I'm going to take it down If you learned something here, please give me a thumbs up on my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at all that gold in there. Isn't that pretty? Just a gold shimmer right up on top of all of it. And then here you could see the white following the cells and the black. So it's just not all black. It's got that little bit of white that makes it appear less obvious. Not sure why it didn't get right there, but so anyway, pretty. Hope you learned something here. Search out a base that does not have titanium white in it if you want to maintain the integrity of your colors, what they were meant to look like. It's not going to hurt if you have some titanium white in it. It's just going to mute them a little bit. But look at that purple rain. So pretty. All right, everybody. Till next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.